100 days, 100 race cars. The Sauber C13, built in 1994. Team and key drivers, built by Sauber. Key drivers include Heinz-Harald Frentzen, Karl Wendlinger, Andrea de Cesaris. Notable race wins, points in second F1 season. Why it's important. Peter Sauber's team became a respected midfield force and talent developer. Räikkönen, Kubica, Leclerc all started here later. Interesting features: Mercedes-badged Ilmor 10, Swiss precision engineering, stepping stone for future stars. Follow OddSpec for more forgotten motorsport history.